guys, what's up? Today I'm here with ViVi Babi. Yes, or ViVi Babi. Yeah, it's my first time trying them out. So apart from the wig, I got just these two things in the box, which is this information card and a wig cap. Not much in today's box, but we're gonna work with it. So this is the wig. We're working with some curly hair. Okay guys, so this is some water wave Malaysian curly hair. It's 150% in density. It's very nice and full, and it's also 26 inches long. So we're working with inches. I feel like since recently I've done a lot of 26-inch wigs. So yeah, that's something. So this lace though, it's not tinted, it's not medium brown, it's not nothing. So I feel like I'm gonna actually tint this a bit with some foundation to kind of, you know, not make it so white. Also, it comes with 4 combs on the inside of the cap, adjustable straps in the back.
Original Batman.
It's features.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl a coming on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Fire can't cool me a bonfire.
Original Batman.
Nobody test me around there.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Fire can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody test me around there.
It's features.
Original Batman.
Standard.
I did the sideburns because I didn't like that. That's extra. The average person who is not into all of that won't do that, and I understand. But I'm going to be doing, you know, swoops and stuff for this, like a lot of swoops for this look, this wig look today, because I'm feeling really good. I don't know, curly hair just put me in a mood, man. So I'm going to be doing a lot of swoops with it. What I'm using on the edges is actually just some eco gel. That's what I use a lot of times these days, you know, when I'm not in the mood to use mousse. It's not as stiff. It's stiff, but you know, I don't mind it. It's not like overly stiff. You know how gel gets. It's very easy to work with, and I honestly don't mind.
Fire can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you,
Original
me a
Batman.
spitfire.
It's
Nobody
features.
test me around there.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Don't dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire. But I can't kill me a spitfire. Nobody test me a run dire, me a run dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Don't dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody test me a run dire, me a run dire.
It's V-Kills.
Original Batman. Standard.
This is how it's looking. I did not wet it or anything. It looks pretty good. Listen, if you're not into the baby hair, you don't have to do all of this extraness that I did with my edges. You really don't. So you could go ahead and wear it out like this, like, you know, just big and fluffy. I know a lot of people love this kind of look, you know, but I prefer my hair to be a little bit more tamed with curly textures. So it really depends on the mood. I'm not always in a mood to do, you know, that kind of look. So I'm gonna do a center part because, you know, it's just easy and it's just like safer. And you know, I really can't go wrong with a good center part. So I'm gonna get it wet and nice and juicy.
Don't dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you,
Original
me a
Batman.
spitfire.
It's
Nobody
V-Kills.
test me a run dire, me a run dire.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so.
I am all done. So literally all I added was mousse to the hair. That's all I added. Now this will help it to have that juicy look throughout the rest of the day, really. That's without me touching the hair. Of course, if you're running your fingers through the hair, it's not gonna keep the wet look. You have to leave it alone and let it be. So this is how it looks once wet, and it will, because I didn't add any conditioner or anything else to it, it will pretty much just kind of get back some volume and stuff, but like it won't get as big, and that's what I want. If you want it to get back like really big and fluffy, then you can just add water, and that would just help to define the curl. So once it's dry, it will look big but very defined, if you get what I mean. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig install. I love it. ViVi Babi. Yes, I love it. You know, it's really nice. I'm here for the edges right now. I really am. They're not too hard. I could go ahead and comb it out if I like, and you know, they could keep their form. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you are interested in purchasing it. The direct link to it will be listed as well, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it for, you know, the summer. You know, curly textures are just a go for every and any occasion, in my opinion. And yeah, I just did simple makeup today, so I've recently installed it. I did a simple makeup run through with you guys in the video, so I didn't feel like I needed to do that again in today's video, so that's the only reason why I didn't show the makeup portion. But yeah, just want to stay tuned on makeup on yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just want to stay tuned for my other upcoming videos. Also, don't forget to check out my vlog channel. Yes, yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Want it for me, yeah. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing.